Hello, everybody. My name is Felipe Meira, the pirate, and I'm your English teacher. And I'm here to talk with the advanced students. Yes, if you are an advanced student, if you are an English speaker, and you want to work with it, and you want to get some money with it, teaching online. So I'm gonna give you some hints here to help you being a teacher online, right? So after this opening. So you need some information to be a teacher online, right? So the first thing is speaking English. So you need to have a C2 speaking certificate. So to be an English teacher online, so you need some information. First, you need to be C2, right? So if you have some certification in English, if you're certified in English, so you have to be C2. If you have no certification to show, so you need to make a video. And to make this video, I'm here to help you. So first of all, they're gonna ask you some information about you. And the first information they ask is your background. If you are certified and your experience. For example, I'm certified by a Brazilian university. I've studied here in Pernambuco, in Olinda. So I'm graduated there as an English and Portuguese teacher, right? And I've been teaching for 20 years in regular school, in language schools here in Brazil. I was an ESL and EFL teacher. I've been working with adults most of the time, and I've been working with kids and babies from 3 or 2 years. I've I've been working with kids and babies, right? So I've talked a little bit about my experience and my graduation, right? Another thing that they ask a lot is to introduce yourself, to talk about you. So my name is Felipe Meira. I'm 36 years old and I live in Brazil. I'm from Rio and I live in Pernambuco now. So I live here in Pernambuco for about 25 years, 26 years, I guess. Right? So I'm talkative. I'm a good listener. I like to listen a lot to people and I like to help people. I like to work. I like to make the things happen, right? And I'm a teacher. I'm an English teacher. I was a Portuguese teacher, and now I'm only a, an English teacher. Yeah. So my dogs, they're barking here, and it's another thing that you really need to be a teacher online. It's a quiet place, right? You can't be interrupted because so as you hear, you don't like to be interrupted when you are learning, when you are studying something. So your student are going to need it. So I have a quiet place to teach. Yes, in my house I have a room only to teach. And here I'm as I'm on YouTube, I'm I'm outside, right? I'm outside my house. And your hobbies, what you like and what you don't like to do. Uh, I've been in a process that they asked me, yeah, about my hobbies. So I really love soccer. Yes, I'm wearing a soccer T-shirt because I really love soccer, and I love American football too. Yes, as well. I root for the Pirates here in Pernambuco, right? So, and I like reading a lot. Oh my gosh, I like books. I like smelling the new books. Yeah, so it's very nice. And I lose my time reading. Sometimes I start reading at night, and when I see it's morning, it's oh my god, I'm still reading it when it's a good book. And I like watching TV series a lot. I like playing with my daughter. I like going to the beach. I live near the beach cause I love going to the beach with my wife and daughter, with my family, my grandparents, my parents, only my mother now. Yeah, I have no father anymore, and with my father and mother-in-law too, with my sister-in-law too. Um, and I like to go jogging in the morning. It's very good. I like eating healthy food. I'm in a new diet now, eating healthy food only. I stopped junk food. I'm avoiding. I avoid sodas and greasy food and this kind of things. I'm not eating it anymore, right? And I dislike standing in lines. Oh gosh, I hate standing in lines. I hate be waiting for people for a long time. Um, I hate be arguing with people about silly stuff. I I don't being practical, right? I like to make the things easy. I like to go straight on the point. I don't like to be. I don't know if I'm being clear for you. So I've talked a little bit about me and about my experience in interviews, right? So you can use this video to help you if you want to be a teacher, and you can comment here and ask me the places I've been interviewed and how am I working online as a teacher. Okay, bye bye, see you.